could really go for a snack right now. That'll work.
This bird will not stop barking.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and you prick it and you mark it with a B. Then you put it in the oven for baby.
You want some water? Hey bro, you want some water? Hey bro, you want some water? My bad. Here you go, bro.
It's such good, really good. Big thing, my itty bitty good. Well, she made me feel.
Excuse you!
I got your food. Chill out.
There's something heartwarming about sharing the same little habits without even realizing it.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I. Serafino.
When you're too lazy to shut off the lights. Hell yeah.
What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
Not only human knows how to tease each other, this cat does also.
¡Ay!
¿Quién fue el primer presidente de... Señor, no hay necesidad de que se ponga...
Oh, yan, ganyan. Good girl. Ikaw, gaya mo. Good girl! Good girl! Yeah, more.
Чушь ты, фраеров.
You're just so
I just had a training for a baptist dance to dance and be on the plane, that's all. You're flying all the way to LA for one bag of nuts? Annie, that would be stupid. I get another bag on the way back. Nice.
Say milk. I'll teach you. Milk. Very good.
Para quererla para casa, hace todo en tu costa. Sabe que yo soy no. She's you. But look at those skills. It's clearly better.
Do you know why the universe didn't allow our pets to speak? To teach us that love and loyalty come through actions and not words.
Wait.
Софочка, скажи а-а-а.
Come and go. Baby, I gotta go. I gotta go pee.
Who's my favorite boy?
Kitty's got a love battery that just won't quit. Dementia's trying to throw shade, but Kitty's like, nah, I'm good on love.
Remy, that's mine. Remy, that's my water. Really?
This cat would fed up causing trouble with the furniture, so it moved on to its next challenge, Mom.
Dapat kawan baru nah. Woi, lagi santai kawan. Pakai. Ela dunia kawan santai. Pakai.
Apa? Mama. Mama.